Hi, this is to demonstrate project 4 of the CS50 web programming with Python, web app development with Python. So the assignment is a social media platform. And right now I'll demonstrate, I've got several posts here that I use for testing. You can see 11 pages worth. And this right now is showing all posts. Nobody is logged in. And I'll demonstrate how the pagination changes. Right now, you can see we're on page 1. You can go to page 2, which are older. If you check the date stamps here, and it always shows 3 pages plus a first and a last and a next and a previous button if those are applicable. So if we go all the way to the last, these are the oldest ones. You see 12/31 as opposed to the first page, which is January 12th, 2026. Now we're going to log in. You notice also there's a picture here. I did change the registration page to optionally include a image URL local file. You don't have to. If you do, it shows up with your profile, with your posts. If you don't, that's fine. So I'm going to log in right now as myself. And you can see here, so the profile tag, this is a little bit different than what was given. You can't really click it. In fact, you can't at all click it. What it says here is tooltip, click the username in a post to see theirs. And I'll demonstrate that in a little bit. But again, the all posts, right now, if I click myself as a profile, I have one follower and I follow one others. Over here, if other people were logged in, you would see them. The requirement said you should be able to follow or unfollow anybody who is logged in. Nobody else is logged in right now, but we're going to change that in a moment here. So I actually set up a second app which taps into the database basically to fake it for other users being logged in. So I'm going to put a few others here. I'm going to do Kirk and Beta and fake it. And now if I go back to the original app, log back in as myself, and look at the profile again, you can see the other users here who are also logged in. It says I have one follower and follow one other. If I follow Kirk, you'll see it says now I follow 2 others. And I can unfollow either one or both. And the numbers changed accordingly. Not only did the numbers change, but also on the following page, right now I'm only following Beta, so that's all that shows up. If I were to change it to follow other people, you'll see now Kirk shows up as well. And again, I can look at his page and show that he has one follower. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate now submitting a post. This is a new post. And this will fill in. It pushed all the others down. It did move others to the page, the next page. So the pagination of only 10 per page did stick. Interestingly enough, if I'm on a page that's only showing for other users like Beta here, and remember, I'm signed on as Bob, but we're showing only page for Beta. This is another post. You'll see it does post successfully, but it does not update the page, and that's intentional. Post successful, but logged in user filtered from current view. So you won't see things you're not supposed to according to the view, but it did post successfully. All right, I'm going to go back to the all to demonstrate a couple of other features here. So you can see here, anybody can like, including the submitter, can like or unlike a post. If you like it, the number increases. If it's already liked and you unlike it, it goes back down to 0 and gets rid of the little heart icon. If this person who's logged in is the owner of the post, then you see the edit link. So right now, everything with a Bob has an edit link. If you click that, I can edit this. It's a modal window. Use the Bootstrap modal. Save changes. And it also now includes the last edit time. Finally, I did include this. This was not a requirement, but I thought it was kind of neat to include a comment thing. So I click a comment. And again, only logged in users. This is a comment. You can, it adds it, and these are also in time order. And I think I've covered everything. Thank you.